What is going on, you guys? It is your boy Omzy here.
Right here.
This is ITZX, and we are here with My Hero Academia Season 5, Episode 9, The Early Bird, and this is the episode you have been waiting for. It is Team Bakugo's episode, and we are here for Bakugo to sweep these motherfuckers, because this is only happening one episode.
By the way, it's early in the morning.
It is early.
So
it is. Why the fuck did this? Okay, our fire stick crashed. All right. It is Bakugo's episode. He is about to sweep these guys, and then I'm here in the next episode, and obviously it's the episode we've all been waiting for.
I don't think it's next episode.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
I think it's going to happen either. I think it's going to happen at the end of the episode.
Yeah, well, I don't see them. I see them like, be like, ah, and then it cuts, and then it not doing anything.
I don't know. I've been hearing some shit. Let me just say, I've been hearing some shit.
I don't know. I don't
that
think it happens.
Like the next episode's fucking crazy.
I think it's going to happen 99.
But with that out of the way, we're getting straight right into it. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys like our reaction, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And if you guys want to get notified on when we release videos, definitely smash the notification bell. As you're checking our merch and Discord, links in the description. With that being said, let's get right into the episode. All right, Bakugo, let's go.
Sarah's fucking moving around like Spider-Man.
Oh, yeah.
Sarah setting traps in Jiro and Recon, this could be way bad, like a total parody. Currently, Class A and Class B are neck and neck when you look at the stats. While they may seem evenly matched,
I don't think it's not going to matter anymore since they drawed. It's not going to matter. I think Class 1A is going to win off of this match, and then I don't think there's going to be a winner to the next one.
Mr. Fly? Stop complaining. What? Sir, this is a legitimate protest! Is this how you'll react if you mess up in a real fight? Meanwhile, Class B is coming up with plans and countermeasures to win. That's
Fucking Toko, yeah.
I was thinking the same.
Not surprised these troublemakers can't hack it. Wanna know why? The reason you get caught up in so many disasters is because you're immature.
I'm looking forward to seeing what you do and what you've learned, Bakugo.
Oh my god.
Why can't you keep up?
I'm trying to listen for
Oh,
so
look
long.
at that.
You better not fall behind.
From a certain point of view, he is cooperating. Sort of.
From a certain point of
Listen
view.
up, you underlings. Just follow me when this starts.
That isn't what I call teamwork.
Did you call us underlings?
I'll take the lead and head toward the fight. Look alive. You three better be ready to support me. Especially you. Make sure you keep track of the enemy, ears.
Hey, my name is Jiro.
We're not waiting for the right moment. We're making our own opening. If we get eyes on them, we've won. Got it? Take those just in case. They don't pack much of a punch, but they can be useful. One more thing.
Not much of a plan. Is this gonna work?
Got you! Ears!
Jiro!
Jiro.
They should be around here somewhere. Find them!
She like... What the hell?
What's taking so long?
Hang on.
I think this is the girl, I think.
This is a trap! Hi. And bye. I used Jiro's search ability against her. Smart, huh?
Class B,
Lizard tail splitter?
Hero name, Lizardy. Quirk, Lizard tail splitter. She can divide her entire body into pieces that move at her will.
That's kind of nuts.
Bakugo, down here!
Nice. That's checkmate.
Whoa!
Ew, gross.
Oh shoot, this backfired. We basically built a spider web that they've gone and trapped us in.
Oh, that's cool.
Got him. I knew Setsuna's plan would defeat them. Class B, Kochiro Bondo. Hero name, Flammo. Quirk, Cimetine. He shoots out blue and controls exactly how fast it dries.
Okay.
Too slow, villains! Class B, Toguru Kanakiri.
Razor sharp,
Hero name,
yeah.
Jack Mantis. Quirk,
razor sharp. He can produce blades on any part of his body.
I threw off Jiro's abilities by forming a cacophony of noise around her. Then Bondo covered the pipes and taped with glue. One touch and they're still for good.
Bakugo's about to come in this bitch.
I'll at least protect my teammates.
No, sir. Oh, damn.
Bakugo! Just lay on the floor! Now start with Jiro!
Holy shit.
Save people to win.
What?
Win to save people. Are you watching?
Oh, they
I've
just
gotten
referenced the
even
movie.
stronger.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh.
One more thing. Whenever you guys are in danger, I'll protect you.
Wow.
Managed to block the blast! Yes, boys have fast reflexes!
Oh shit.
Seriously? Thank you!
God damn.
Shut it!
Wow.
They got away! Look for them! It doesn't matter if this is just training. I've made a decision. No one will question our victory. Because our match is gonna be flawless. 4-0 and no injuries. Understand? That's how somebody with actual strength competes.
If we fight him like we expected to, we'll definitely lose this match. So,
Motherfucker looking like Ronald McDonald.
Oh
treat
my
our
God.
enemies repeatedly. It's the only way to have an advantage over them.
Oh, that's cool.
There are so many sounds in the way. But if I concentrate, I can tell them apart.
Let's go!
Oh, that's the animation. Wow. Who's this motherfucker?
We're not making a sound!
They turned the table again! And construction done quick! My wellcraft is complete!
Okay.
Yosetsu Awase. Hero name Welder. Quirk Weld. He can fuse things together at the molecular level. However, in order for his quirk to work, he has to touch the things he wants to weld. They know us too
Interesting.
well. Yeah, like you can catch me tape when there's so many pipes in the way. Was this part of Tokage's plan? She has everything figured out.
There you go.
Drop Sugar Rush! You're good!
Down.
You won't stop me, damn it!
You don't have to get so mad.
Handle this guy!
On it. You're mine.
Whenever you guys are in danger, I'll protect you.
I never thought I would see the day.
Hope you like my heartbeat surround.
You guys had better save me.
Awase.
He's gone.
He's headed on the Bondo.
Not good! Took me a little while to get used to fighting in this toe!
Oh God.
Really warmed up!
I got this guy!
That's one.
Class A!
That's two.
Bakugo! He acts on his own accord. The rest of them support him. I thought if we found a small opening, we could widen it slowly until they break down. But look at them!
Holy shit.
Cannonball!
That's new. Oh God. Oh. Oh shit.
Fucking ripped.
Bakugo trusts his teammates so he doesn't have to do it all alone.
Being in the band loosened him up. He's still trying the beat.
Fucking hell.
Tokage's quirk.
Wow. I knew it was gonna be a
She
sweep.
controls from afar. If she split herself as much as she could to make
Man,
noise,
zoom it.
Dude. My
I think it'll be
God.
harder for her to
he trying to tape her parts off?
Yeah, to keep
Yeah.
her from assembling.
And save her stamina so she can keep using her quirk. Jiro said it
Should
sounded
just
like
be a
there were
torso.
noises around, which just proves my theory.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Kick off.
Take the fucking bomb. Oh god.
Kamehameha.
Kidding!
Oh
Why
shit!
did you change this much?
Fucking went nuclear.
Oh.
Changed. My goal's always been the same. To surpass All Might and become the #1 hero.
The horror. The shame.
I love it.
Didn't even last 5 minutes.
Didn't even last 5 minutes.
Unexpected teamwork. Class A wins with a big first perfect score. of
This is what they needed to do with the character. This is what they needed to do.
Didn't do unnecessary damage and you neutralized your opponents efficiently. Bakugo may have taken the lead, but you 3 supported him. Solid win. Great job today.
Kanchan, you can play with others when you want to. And Jiro, you are a total heroine out there.
No, I'm a hero.
A resident delinquent taking in the strays.
Nope, not a stray, dude.
He's going up to Deku like, oh my, okay.
You gave me chills.
What, you catch a cold or something?
Oh
Out of my way!
god.
Out of my
I'm in
way.
front of you, so what does that even mean?
He's so far away.
I'm not in front of you, so what does that mean?
Yeah, you were amazing. I'm moving so fast you won't be able to catch up. Yes, I will. Shut it, nerd! Some words don't mean anything. I won't let you beat me. You're trash. A frickin' extra. Just watch.
Love it.
You have a good childhood friend in him.
Damn it!
If only you were a tad more polite.
Oh my god, I'm not ready for this.
Everyone is a side character in other people's stories. But we are each the protagonist of our own lives.
So what's the plan?
You're killing my vibe! I think we should do something similar to
Twin
Tokyo's
Impact?
team, even though it didn't work out for them. Our team's a lot like theirs was in terms of balance compared to our opponents. We've got a group that excels in technical quirks.
Fucking Emperor Palpatine over here.
Hers is poltergeist, which is
We
weird.
have 5 people,
Yeah.
so that gives us the upper hand.
There's a difficult fight ahead of us. Don't you think Midoriya's spooky?
He's spooky.
Oh, she loves spooky stuff. It's kind of her thing.
Okay. Midoriya, huh?
Considering his mobility and combat skills, he's the same, if not better than Bakugo. And apparently he's learned a long-distance attack, so he doesn't even need to get close.
Yeah,
He
shoot
stumbles
style
even
is
a
there.
little, and it'll end up like the
And
last
the air
match.
cannons.
He'll destroy us.
If we use brainwashing in conjunction with Monamu's power, I think we can take him.
A lot of pressure when you single me out like that. It's possible it'll be a blank on my end.
A blank?
Meaning he won't be able to copy Midoriya's quirk.
Oh.
Well, we won't be able to do anything unless we stop him somehow. We're counting on you, Shinzo.
Match 5. It's down
Copy
to
the
this.
fucking chainsaw and got double brainwash.
How's he?
I don't know if he'll be able to copy Midoriya's quirk. I don't think so.
He already showed that he could hold his own in the first match. I doubt he could use the
A
same.
lot of components going into this final fight. I honestly have no idea what's gonna happen.
I'm kind of freaking out about that weirdo. I don't want him snooping around in my head.
Don't get too hung up on one member of their team. They've got a bunch of people who can attack from anywhere and catch us by surprise without giving away their location. And we make things float.
My god. And Deku is higher than all of you.
Not great. No, I'm not. We can't lay in wait. I can't attack.
All right, then we should go in my special pop-up thingy.
Can you imagine if Mineta just gets captured out of the way?
No one's going to fall for that. We should find them first and make them fall into a trap. No sweat.
I can act as the bait.
Deku.
Superhero
hold on a
landing.
sec. Didn't you say your quirk was acting weird or something?
think it's fine now. After watching that fourth match, I think the other team will be on guard around me. They don't want to repeat Bakugo.
You sure you'll be okay? We're all counting on you.
Don't you worry. We can definitely win.
Yeah!
What you girls just say we're not suited for this?
Everything feels normal.
For now.
After hearing Hachan talk, I can't embarrass myself.
It's now time for the fifth and final training match!
Finally, holy shit.
I know.
This one's for all the glory. Are you ready? Do your best until the last student's down. Begin!
Oh shit. A lot of ways it can go in this final battle. It's either number one, fucking Team B is gonna, or Class 1B is gonna win this one somehow, some way. Two, the fight is gonna be stopped towards whatever the fuck happens with Deku, or it's either gonna have to be one of those two. Because no matter what, I think this is gonna end in a tie, or else Class 1A just 4-2s them. Like, I don't know. Yeah, this episode was very, very surprising, and I absolutely love this episode. This is what they needed to do with the character. Not only sweep them, but he was able to work not only with his team, but actually, like, save them if they were in danger. Mm-hmm. I never thought I would see the day Bakugo would do that.
Well, I mean, that right there just connected the movie.
No, to Heroes Rising, yeah.
First time they actually fucking connected a movie.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, okay.
So, yeah, that's what they needed to do with the character. So, really, really good. I love that this only ended one episode. But next week is the episode we've all been waiting for. Like, oh, man.
Possibly.
But I think it's going to happen. I don't know about you, but I think it's going to happen. Because if they're starting off right from the get-go, I don't know how long the fight is going to last for. It looks like possibly 2 episodes, but who knows?
From a writer's standpoint, why would you blow your jack in the hole in the first part? Like, to me, that doesn't make any fucking sense. You always blow the jack in the hole on the second part, or you tease it at the end of the first. And
that's what I think. They're going to tease it at the end of the episode, and then it's just going to be that. But I just want to see it, because I have no idea what the fuck it is. I have a prediction for it.
I don't think that you're going to see much of it. I think it's going to be like, get away. That's it. And I think it's going to be, oh, shit.
The question is, do you think he will be able to somehow, some way master the power right when he gets it? Like, do you think One for All will, like, trigger?
I don't think right when he gets... No, dude, that's... All right, come on. No, that's a half-cocked question.
I'm just saying, who knows?
He mastered One for All when he first got it. He fucking blew himself apart. See,
but this is different than One for All.
Are you sure about that?
I'm assuming it is. It's a whole different quirk.
No, because this is the first time he's actually using One for All. Initially, he was just using the power enhancement shit like that. Like, technically, he's been using One for All the entire time. But he's only been using one aspect of it the entire time. And so now it's taking another piece of the pie. And it could be just as equally as dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
He could just as easily blow his arm off if he fucking...
He could. He honestly could.
Like, man's only using 20%. Like, I'm just saying.
Yeah, all I know.
Another piece of the pie.
I'm just wondering how the hell, like, it's actually going to happen. Like, what will trigger it to happen? I assume it's going to happen between Shinso.
Now I understand. Like, now it clicked in my head, like, from what I heard, like, fucking 2 years ago about, like, what happened or when it's triggered.
Mm-hmm.
And so now it's clicked in my head, and I'm like, makes sense.
Here
I am thinking it was associated with some type of villain or some shit.
Yeah.
Or some civilian in danger,
mm-hmm.
and it's in a fucking training arc.
I
had no idea, but now I can see it playing in my head, and I'm like, I know exactly.
It's like I've seen it from the poster, and that's all I know, because him in the air and the black lightning and shit going around him. That's all I've seen. Because when the first teaser poster for season 5 came out, it was that exact same thing. So all I know, and my aunt has been talking about this and theorizing, all we know, it's some sort of black lightning or something with black some shit. Like, I don't know, there's something going around it, but I have no idea what that term is. But obviously, we're going to see it next week. It is the episode we have all been waiting for. Thank you guys for watching our reaction. You guys are excited for next week, and you guys are excited for the rest of My Hero Academia, and you guys like our channel. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and if you guys want to get notified on when we release videos, definitely smash the notification bell. And as always, I'm Omzy, that is Schmitty, and we are out.